Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. Now, in order to change your primary LinkedIn email address, you will need to first add a email address, remove your primary one, and set that email address, that new one, to your primary one. So basically how you can do this is you need to go to your Me right here, which is your profile. You want to go to settings and privacy. And from there, you want to sign in and security. Go here. You can also go to account preferences. I think usually that will be the case, but usually just go to sign in and security. Here you will have email addresses. Basically here, what you can do is if you have two email addresses, then you can just make primary one, the second one, primary one, or you can add a new email address if you just have one. And then you'll need to wait just a couple of seconds, and then you will make sure to remove your secondary email or primary email, and then make the primary one your secondary email, basically. So hopefully that makes sense to you, but that's basically how you will be able to do and remove your primary email address and add your new primary email address. So this is how you can change your primary email on LinkedIn. If you have any questions or certain comments around it, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next LinkedIn tutorial video. Thank you guys for watching.